Hello everyone. Today's topic is factorizing, and our learning objective is for you to be able to factorize expressions. What is factorizing? So factorizing is the process of breaking down a mathematical expression into simpler components. This is done by finding common factors that can be removed from each term of the expression. For example, first we've got 6x plus 12y. So from these questions, we can see that the common factors that we can remove from each term is 6. So we take out the 6, and if we divide the first term, 6x divided by 6, we've got x. So inside the parentheses, we put x plus 12y divided by 6 is 2y. So we write x plus 2y inside the parentheses. Next, we've got 16xy minus 12x. From this question, we can see that the common factors that can be removed from each term is 4x. So we take out the 4x and then we divide the first term 16xy divided by 4x, so we've got 4y minus 12x divided by 4x is equals to 3. So the answer of this question is 4x and then 4y minus 3 inside the parentheses. Okay, further example is this. Factorize fully b squared minus b cubic. So first step we have to do is to identify the HCF of all the terms. HCF is the highest common factor of them. And then we write the HCF outside the bracket and divide each term by the HCF, and then lastly we write the answer inside the brackets. So for the question b squared minus b cubic, we can see the highest common factor of them is b squared. So we put out the b squared and divide the first term b squared divided by the HCF, which is b squared 2. So b squared divided by b squared, we've got 1. And then minus b cubic divided by b squared is equals to b. So the HCF we put outside the bracket, and the divided terms we put them inside the brackets. So if we factorize b squared minus b cubic, we've got b squared and 1 minus b. Next is factorizing by group. So, for example, we need to factorize my plus ny plus mz plus nz. So just like before, we first see the common factor of them. You can see in my plus ny, they both got y. And in mz plus nz, you can see that they both got z. So we take out the y and take out the z. So if we take out the common factor of them, which is y and z, we've got y multiplied by m plus n plus z multiplied by m plus n. So because these two terms have m plus n as a common factor too, so we take out the common factor, which is m plus n, and we put y plus z in the second brackets like this. So the answer of Factorizing my plus ny plus mz plus nz is y plus z multiplied by m plus n. Next is factorizing quadratic expressions. As we all know, quadratic expressions common form is like this: ax squared plus bx plus c. So from this quadratic expression, we need to find two numbers that if we add them, we've got b, and if we multiply them, we've got c. So basically, we have to find two numbers which are p and q, and when we add p plus q, we've got b, and when we times p multiplied by q, we've got c. So if we already find this, then we can factorize the quadratic expression to be like this: x plus p multiplied by x plus q.